Hello and welcome. I'm coming back to you on the fractals. So the first shorts was obviously just a little bit introduction. Fractals have fascinated me for more than 20 years, and yes, it started with Mandelbrot and this two-dimensional fractals. And over the time, I just explored and was fascinated how much fractals we have in nature, in the cosmos, within our body, the lungs, in art, and even in music. And how is it that the fractals are coming back to me as such, together with light codes? Because the fractals are, one, they are infinite. Two, they are self-similarity, so they are similar. Even space and time can be seen in fractals because they're ever cycles, they are dynamic, and they're simple and complex at the same time. So fractals for us at this moment is really important. They even did some research now when we do music with plants where we see fractals, or when we listen to music that is composed in fractals, the brain waves really slow down. We go really into a higher state of consciousness, meditative state, delta and beyond. So yes, the fractals are very important when we talk about awakening. And this is how I want to come back to you now on fractals. So when I play music, and even as I'm speaking to you, I'm actually connecting to fractals. To the fractals of the cosmos that allow us to connect to these rhythms and these cycles, moving into this Aquarian age, or whatever we want to call it, in different traditions, astrology, astronomy, it all comes to the same. This evolution of consciousness, as the Mayan calendar speaks, after the empty time that we have almost completed. And so fractals are coming more and more. Now, the music that I play for you is fractals, but I don't sit down and do all the maths and create it in a theoretical or scientific way. I am connecting to fractals, to source fractals. A lot is cosmic, of course. Light language is fractals. And so it comes intuitively and mystic. So mystic, as you may be aware, is all about tapping into the unconscious realms, not the unconscious mind, but unconscious fields, the quantum fields, without knowing the facts, but resonating and knowing that we're in the quantum field. So the quantum fields are fractals. So there are a lot of existing fractals, and yet we can still create more fractals, and they ever perpetuating, infinite. So I hope you're getting a little bit more ideas about fractals and what I find so fascinating. So a lot of things that are coming through right now are about light codes that we can now access and tap into, and also these fractals. I can't use the word light fractals because light fractals already has another meaning. The light fractal, when you Google it, what many of us doing, or if you just know it, is actually the prisms that we get when we have a sun catcher, or when you have a diamond and the sun shines through. But these fractals are Aquarian fractals, awakening fractals. I can invite you actually to maybe contemplate or meditate what are these fractals called that are currently really activating us and allowing us to make this transition from the Homo sapiens to the Homo luminous, from the operating system mind into the operating system heart, from the factual limited reality into the heart and the mystic reality and the quantum fields. So let me know what you feel, not only think, about these kind of fractals I'm sharing with you. So see you again soon with my fractal music, intuitive, created from the heart and connected to the fractals of Source, the cosmos, nature, and the guides that are coming through. That can be dragons and unicorns and ascended masters and angel beings of light, and of course my connectedness to the cosmos, like the Andromedans, the Fomalhautians, the Arcturians, the Pleiadians, whoever is coming through. But whenever I work with fractals, or I play music with fractals, or even speak to you, we are already in a relationship. So your guides are also coming through. So looking forward to a lot of magic with you and fractals. So don't forget to put a comment and let me know if these fractals that we're talking about here, that are not science and maths but yet related, what special name they have. I am open. This is our field together. It's not just about me. So see you soon, and thank you for your inspiration and comment about the name of these fractals we're talking about.